how to download Sims 4 on PC/laptop for free. So first of all, what you have to do is just go to your web browser. So here, as you can see, I'm already on my web browser and I have opened the website. What you need to do is just basically type in the sims4.com. Here, as you can see, once you click on it, it will just bring you to this website. So yeah, let me just search it again. It was just some privacy error. But once you search this up, it will just bring something like this, alright? So once it's here, what you need to do is just basically go to Play for free and then download EA app for Windows. So if you're on Windows, just basically go for EA app for Windows. And once you click on it, it will bring here. So what you need to do is just basically download it now. You gotta download the EA app first. And here, as you can see, it's downloading. Open it up. And now you gotta wait for the installer. So yeah, as you can see, it's downloading all the stuff that it needs. So here, as you can see, you basically press OK and go. So it will depend on your internet speed, how much time it will take. So you just gotta wait until it's done. So yeah, I'll be right back when the process is done. So here, as you can see, the process is finished and it's downloaded. So what you gotta do is just sign up. Or if you have already an account, just basically sign in. I don't have an account, so I'm just gonna sign in by Google. I'm just gonna press right over here and then it'll basically use my account. And then press continue. I'm just gonna allow everything right over here to do the process. And I just gotta accept the terms and condition. Now I'll just go back and open it again. And here, as you can see, my account is successfully created, and now I just gotta wait until it's loaded up. So here, as you can see, I've got free-to-play games right over here. As you can see, I got Sims 4 right over here, but if you don't see it right over here, you could just basically search it, The Sims 4. And you can just basically search it up, and it will just bring it right over here. Here, as you can see, it's for free. You need no money for this game. You just gotta press download. So I'm just gonna press download, and here, as you can see, it's gonna take some process to do that. And here, as you can see, it's a 22 gigs game, so you gotta make sure that you got storage on your PC, and then just basically press next and then press download. And here, as you can see, it's downloading, and it will show me the calculated time. If I press over here, as you can see, it's gonna tell me every single detail about it. So for me, it's gonna download in 3 hours or basically even 2. So it basically depends on my internet speed. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can download Sims 4 on your PC or laptop. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, and that's it. Goodbye.